Hello, welcome to Cars and Bikes UK. Today I'm following a group of friends as they ride their bikes through the beautiful countryside of Teesdale. Sit back and enjoy the ride.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, remember to click on that like button.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to click on that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, click on that subscribe button. Costs you nothing and it does help my channel grow. And click on the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. That's all the clickety clicks. So until next time, bye.